What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so if you are planning a Disney trip anytime soon, or if you just love the parks as much as I do, you need to buckle up. Disney is literally entering a brand new era right now, and things are changing fast. We've got massive surprise early openings, a brand new hidden courtyard land, a sneaky snack hack, some major boardwalk drama, and a secret ride code that is changing how people experience Star Wars. Let's get into it. We have to start with the absolute biggest news in the galaxy. Star Wars. The Mandalorian and Grogu has finally hit movie theaters, marking the first time a Star Wars movie has been on the big screen in nearly 7 years. But Disney didn't just stop at the movie theaters. To celebrate the premiere, the massive, highly anticipated makeover for Millennium Falcon, Smugglers Run at both Disney World's Hollywood Studios and Disneyland. We just hit the ride to test it out, and the updates completely changed the game. The original Hondo Ohnaka mission is gone. Now you are joining Din Djarin and Grogu on an active bounty hunt to track down scattered Imperial warlords and a pirate. You start out flying from Batuu straight to Tatooine, and right from the start, Grogu is right there on the screen next to you. The ride mechanics got a massive upgrade too. Instead of the same old linear path, there are actually 3 entirely different versions of the ride depending on which bounty you pursue, taking you to places like Coruscant, the orange skies of Cloud City on Bespin, and the Death Star wreckage near Endor. We just discovered a secret cheat code to unlock a hidden Grogu mode. If your cockpit does this right before the ride starts, you completely alter the experience. The 2 gunners in the middle seats have to fasten their seatbelts first. Then, before anyone else in the cockpit hits a single button, the gunners have to hold down the white square button closest to the back of their row. And while holding it, press the round glowing button. If you do it right, all the cockpit lights flash green. This unlocks an exclusive mode where Grogu talks to you and interacts with your crew through the entire ride, instead of just a few key moments. Talk about an elite hack to try on your next trip. The crazy part is, the Star Wars update isn't the only thing Disney opened early. Over at Epcot, Soarin' Around the World was supposed to close and change over to the brand new Soarin' Across America on May 26th to celebrate the country's 250th birthday. Well, surprise! We confirmed that Disney just soft-opened it days ahead of schedule to all guests. It is officially up and running right now, featuring brand new patriotic costumes for Mickey and Minnie to match the vibe. But because it's a surprise soft opening, Lightning Lane is not an option yet. You have to stand in the regular standby line if you want to fly over iconic U.S. landmarks like Mount Rushmore and the Grand Canyon this week. We have been tracking the park patterns closely, warning that this week was basically the last normal low-crowd day we are going to see for a very long time. Because the massive summer rush is hitting early, Orlando International Airport is already projecting nearly 1 million travelers just for this holiday weekend, so the parks are about to be completely gridlocked. And the surprises don't stop there. Over at Hollywood Studios, a literal brand new land area just opened early. They completely cleared out the old animation courtyard and opened Walt Disney Studios Courtyard. It has a family dance party called Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Live, an indoor playground based on classic Alice in Wonderland art, and a live drawing class where an actual Olaf audio animatronic teaches you how to sketch. It wasn't supposed to be here yet, but you can walk right into it today. Now, if you are waiting until the official kickoff next week, you need to prepare for total park chaos. The biggest news is that Rock and Roller Coaster is finally reopening, but Aerosmith is officially out. It is now Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. You're going to be blasting through the dark to music by Dr. Teeth and the Electric Mayhem, featuring an all-new scooter animatronic. We just confirmed they are opening a brand new food spot right next to it called Food by Swedish Chef. Speaking of transportation and weird park updates, how about a hilarious and bizarre detail from the Disney Skyliner? Cast members have started placing fake plastic dragonflies directly onto their control panels. Why? Because real yellow flies have been invading the loading platforms. And apparently, fake dragonflies are the only thing that scares them away. So, if you look closely at the controls, while boarding your gondola this summer. Don't freak out when you see plastic bugs everywhere. But wait, the biggest crowd magnet next week isn't even a coaster. It's Bluey's Wild World opening at Animal Kingdom's Conservation Station. We got an exclusive first look at the venue, and it's an interactive paradise where you play keepy-uppy with giant balloon balls and see real-life Australian animals like kangaroos. But remember the golden rule, virtual queue only. There's no standby line. If you don't grab a spot at 7 a.m. or 10 a.m. sharp on the Disney app, you are not getting in. And if you're a Toy Story fan, Jesse's Roundup is taking over the Diamond Horseshoe in Magic Kingdom for a giant AC-cooled dance and craft party. But that means the restaurant is officially not serving food all summer. Sitting in the AC with Woody sounds like a massive win. But don't head there expecting A to get a meal. All right, I gotta give you guys some Disney food news, because this is a total game changer. You know those legendary churro Mickey waffles? The ones you had to get at the Crystal Palace breakfast buffet. Well, you can now get them without a park ticket. Disney just brought them to Spyglass Grill, which is a quick-service dining location at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. So you can literally roll up, grab your sugar-loaded Mickey waffles on a rest day, and not spend a dime on park admission, or eat at the pricey Crystal Palace. Let's wrap up this video with some major park drama and construction updates. The annual Axios Harris Reputation poll just dropped, and public trust in the Disney brand has officially plummeted down to number 79 on the list, mostly because people are frustrated with park costs and corporate ethics. And Disney's response? Testing out a brand new $399 private photo pass session. For $400, you get a 40-minute private photo shoot at the Grand Floridian or the Polynesian with a specialized photographer and pro lighting gear. The internet is already losing its mind over the price tag. So let me know in the comments if you think that's a total scam or an elite vacation flex. Meanwhile, over at Disney's Boardwalk Resort, we have a massive construction update on the old Jelly Rolls dueling piano bar, which has been abandoned for over a year. The original building has been completely stripped down and covered in plastic. But the big news is that a brand new high-tech version of Jelly Rolls is being built just 10 minutes away from the original spot, with a massive stage and advanced lighting. Finally, a quick warning if you're shopping for merch. The main store in the Epcot France Pavilion just dropped its official permanent closing date, and another major retail spot is abruptly closing with no reopening date in sight. So don't count on doing all your shopping in one place. So, what do you guys think? Are you heading to the theaters to see the new Mando movie? Are you going to try the secret Grogu cheat code on Smugglers Run? Or are you just trying to get a virtual queue spot for Bluey? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more Disney updates, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.